Welcome to our door measurement tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to accurately measure a door for your home. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have the following materials ready: a measuring tape, a pencil, and a piece of paper. Step 1. Measure the width. Start by measuring the width of the door from one side to the other. Place the measuring tape at the edge of the door frame and extend it across to the opposite edge. Write down the measurement. Step 2. Measure the height. Next, measure the height of the door from top to bottom. Again, place the measuring tape at the top of the door frame and extend it down to the floor. Note down the measurement. Step 3. Measure the thickness. Now, measure the thickness of the door. Place the measuring tape at the edge of the door and record the thickness. This will help you select the right hardware and accessories for your door. Here are some tips to ensure accurate measurements. Always measure from the widest points of the door. Double-check your measurements to avoid errors. If you're unsure, it's best to measure twice before cutting or ordering a door.